265 Point Total Fitness is the Matthews Mint Hill area premier faith, fun, and fitness experience. The company was founded in 2013 and relocated to the Stevens Mills Shopping Center in the Stallings area in June of 2019. The owner, Tam Jackson, and her super friendly, highly trained coaches will greet you with high fives and meet you where you are at, because their motto is your race, your pace. You're sure to have a great time. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied clients have to say.
It was fantastic. Awesome. Thank you so much for your time. Tell me about your experience today.
Awesome. Good start today.
Good start. All right. Good job. Tell me about your experience today.
We made it.
Okay. All right. Good job. Thank you. Tell me about you guys' experience. How was it today?
Great.
All right.
It was wonderful.
Okay. Good. Thank you guys.
Sign up for your free 2-week trial today at 265point.com.